head down. Okay, Kaylee's already down the hill. Good job, Paigey. You killed that mountain. You showed that mountain. Turn right. Turn your shoulders right. Oh. Yeah, it is. There goes Mom. Whoop. Need help? Point down the hill. You're all right. There you go. Doing good, Paigey. Good job, Paigey. You're doing great, Paige. Keep going. You're doing great. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go turn. Turn downhill a little bit. Ow, why? Go downhill. We're going to go home. Come on, Paigey. Good turn. I'm watching you. We gotta go home, so go to Mom. I'll come knock you over. Watch out, here I come. Gonna knock you over. Gonna knock you over. Oh. Oh, I'm getting closer. You got away from me, but I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, get close. Ah. Good job, Paige. All right, here I come. Go, Paige. You're doing good. Turn right. There you go.